Hello everyone, welcome to Sublistar channel here. And if it is the first time you come to our channels, I want to tell you our videos about t-shirt printing business. We talk about apparel customer printing business. We talk about direct to film, and we talk about how to buy all of this set. And for the DTF, it refers to direct to film. It means direct transfer to fabric use the PET film. I think guys, you're familiar with DTG, direct to garment. And compared to DTG, DTF, which works on much widening substrate. Unlike DTG, which works only on cotton fabrics, DTF, which works cotton, polyester, nylon, leather, and more. So today, I make this video to show you how to use DTF to start your apparel printing business. Okay, so now you can see these different types of the fabric here. I prepare it for the direct to transfer technology. And you can see the fabrics, the black mouse pad. The material is 100% polyester. And this sportswear, the material is 100% polyester with spandersing. And also this cushion pillow cover. I think the material is satin. So it's no deny that DTF has taken the industry by storm because DTF low lead pretreatment and it's cost effective. So okay, let's go. We will show you how to heat press on this substrate. So first, I will get started with this black cotton t-shirt. I will choose this design for the shirt. The most important things here is, to make the shirt is on straight and make sure the seams are not on the actual plate. So I drag it down a little bit, make this seam invisible. For DTF heat transfer, the instruction is the temperature need to be 165 degrees Celsius and need to be pressed for 15 seconds. Before heat press, we do pre-press because you don't know how much moisture the t-shirt can absorb from the air, and the pre-press will take the moisture out. So now we do pre-press about a couple of seconds. So now this fabric be flat and everything looks great. So now I will put the design on the surface. And this step, I will use a ruler to measure it straight and the center. And for the DTF, this type film is cold peel. And the cold peel, which means after you heat transfer, we set the aside and wait the temperature come down, and then we peel off. And another type of DTF film is hot peel. What hot peel means, as soon as you lift up the heat press, peel the film at that moment. So now we set this t-shirt aside and we do the next textile. And again, we will heat press on this sportswear. The material is spandex with polyester. We put it on the plate and make sure the seams not on the plate. Okay, so we do pre-press first, about 6 to 7 seconds. To take the moisture out, to make the sportswear flat, no wrinkles. And for this shirt, I think this design is suitable for it. So I put the design on the top of the shirt here. And I use this ruler to make it straight and center. There you go. We will peel it off later. Next, I will do the heat transfer on this mouse pad. And the material just now I said is 100% polyester. And we will do it again. And I choose this design. We make sure the design is center and straight. Okay, I think it's perfect now. So we do it again. Just wait 15 seconds and transfer it down. Okay, all right. The last fabric I will demonstrate is the cushion cover. And the material is silk satin. There are a lot of wrinkles on the pillowcase, so we do preheat. We do pre-press to make it flat, make it smooth. Okay, now the cover is flat. No seams, no wrinkles. Everything looks great. So we use this heart for the cover. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, guys, just now we transfer on the different type of textile here. And now all this product is finished and we will peel the film. Looks awesome. And the red heart for the cover. Peel it off. There you go. Wow, perfect. And we peel this film. And the sport jersey, super easy to peel, guys. Here we go. Works good. Looks awesome. Okay. Compare the different type shirt, polyester with cotton. Can you see some different? Seems no. Now let me stretch them. Camera closer, so you can watch clearly. So this is the print. I stretched the shirt as much as I can right here. You don't see any discoloration, no cracking, right? Super durable if you do it right. If you do it right, I think it's a really good alternative to customer apparel. So okay guys, so you can see the DTF is super easy, right? You just do design and you do heat transfer, and the other things just practice it. And you can find the right people to help you, like Sublistar. We are professional about the DTF, and we can help you about the technology, the design, and the material, and also the equipment, the machine. And we can offer you the online support. So we can help you everything. Just you contact with us. So I think today this video can help you to start your t-shirt business, your customer apparel business, and with this technology, you can make extra income. So just take it, just do it, okay? Bye-bye.